Guys, here we are at the Harris Nature Trail. Here we are. And this is what the start of the trailhead looks like. So, let's go hop on the trail. Okay, so this is the first little section of the trail here. Wow, look. Ooh. Okay, so which way do we go? I think I want to go down here and see if I can get a little, ooh, it's a little slick, y'all. A little closer up view here of the creek. I think this is Baker Creek, I think. But look at this. Pretty. Look at how beautiful that water is. Look at that. Okay, so now it looks like that it's kind of already starting to go into an incline right off the bat. But you've got this really pretty view here still of that creek. And a little bench here you can pull off and look at the water. Alright guys, this is where we came from right there. And here's where we're going. Right here, we're going up. Already, right off the bat, very first thing is this huge hike up this mountaintop here. But look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view. I mean, oh wow, it's really, really pretty. But now, we've got to go up this right here. Luckily, there's quite a few tree roots, so it does make it pretty, makes it a little easier to climb. Now, we're up a little higher, as you can see from right there. And I think there might be a little trail there. Oh, I guess I should have looked at the directions, but uh-oh. my hiking pole tried to leave me on that tree back there. I think you can probably get down to that little area by the water. I think you can hike down that, but guys, it's pretty steep, so I don't think I want to attempt that today. On my last hike that I went on, and I don't know when y'all will see that video, but I actually fell on the trail because I did something stupid and thought I could get across a creek before the rock slid out from underneath me, and I could not. So I'm gonna go with my gut this time and not try to be brave and show off for you guys. Oh wow, look. So I don't want to try to do that today because I'm going to go with my gut, and I don't feel comfortable doing that today, so we won't do that today. But I'm going to let y'all look at these views of that creek. And then we got to go, we got to go back up, y'all, back up. And then there's the pretty creek right there. Pretty. Huh, yeah. And now this path, ooh, look at that, y'all, look. All right, now we're in a little like open section of the trail, so I'm not sure what to expect. This is we just that's where we just hiked up from, so we're a little higher up now from the creek, so I don't think the elevation gain is super high on this trail. I think it was less than 900 feet, but you can see the Cossatot mountain range there. I don't know what mountain that is, but it is really pretty, y'all. Look. Just a little heavy forested type, and it's still super narrow through here, y'all. Now we're going down into a little section here, so the trail is really hard to kind of follow through here, sort of. It looks like maybe there was a creek that ran through here. See, it just dried up. Here's the second bridge. I can't remember how many there are. Actually, I don't know how many there are. And you can see how dry that it is through here. So, second bridge might be 3. I don't know. Now it looks like we're gonna go up a little bit here. The incline. Over here. Oh, goodness. And that's where we hiked down from right there. Yeah. So, let's press on. Okay. Okay. Here's bridge number 3. Right here. So if you've made it this far in the video, thank you. for joining me today. So here we go, y'all. Here we go. Oh goodness, alright, so we gotta go. Do we gotta go up that or what? Let me look. Back. Yeah, I do believe that we have to go up this. I'm looking at now to see if the path is up here. It's pretty steep, I ain't gonna lie, even for me. And I hike mountains, not regularly, but uh-oh. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Okay, I didn't climb up all the way because I was yik-yakking, so, okay. There's your marker, right there. So, yes. Okay, so we're back on the trail. Back on, okay. Good deal. Okay. You got some pretty views there. Now we're coming across some more water. I think we're getting close to our overlook. Thank goodness, y'all, because I think I might be getting a little too old to do this stuff. This hike has been a little strenuous, even for me. Of course, I don't really consider myself a professional hiker at all. I do have a full-time job, so I'm not able to enjoy the outdoors as much as I want to, but maybe someday I will when I retire. But okay. Alright guys, well, this trail so far has kicked my booty. I guess I need to really make a commitment and start going to the gym on a regular basis. I have a gym membership, but I just don't ever use it. I'm always ready to get off work and go home and relax and not work out. And then on days when if I try to go before work, I don't want to get up any earlier to go work out before I have to go to work. So, but I'm gonna have to figure out something for sure so that I can get my stamina built back up. Cause oh, holy moly, y'all, that was hard.